Hello, and welcome to our online tutorial on logging into the Commission's new Broadband Data Collection System, or BDC. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to log into the BDC. Starting at the BDC Login Screen, you'll see a form with fields for username and password. Enter the username and password you created in the FCC User Registration System. You can learn more about creating an FCC user registration by visiting fcc.gov/commission-registration-system-video-tutorials. If you're having issues with logging in, click the Need Help Signing In link found below the Sign In button. Clicking the link will reveal two additional links, Forgot Password and Help. The Forget Password option will redirect you to the Reset screen, where you'll enter your email address or username and click Reset via email. If successful, you'll receive an email with password reset instructions. If you still need assistance, click Help on the main login page, and this will take you to an external Okta page where you can find help with any additional sign-on questions you may have. Let's go back to the main sign-on page. Go ahead and log in with your username and password. You do have the option to check Remember Me, but it's not recommended for shared devices. Now we're on the Entity Selection page, where you can access all FRNs associated with your username in the Commission Registration System. The Entity Selection page is a table, and it includes an FRN column that is the entity's FCC registration number, an entity name column, an entity type column, either service provider, government, or other, a filing status column, including a tooltip signifying the filing status for the entity's most recent filing window, and lastly, an action required column, including a tooltip alerting you of any pertinent information related to the selected filing. Now, select the FRN of the entity you wish to file. On the Entity Information page, the BDC collects basic but vital contact information. You'll be periodically prompted to return to this page to confirm that the contact information is correct. If you've entered information before via Broadband Data Collection, some of your data will auto-populate, such as entity type, holding company, common control name, and ILEC status. Confirm those data are accurate too. Please note fields will vary depending on your entity type, and that's how you access your entity's information page. This concludes our tutorial on how you log into the BDC. Please remember to periodically check our website at www.fcc.gov/broadbanddata for links to commission orders, notices, tutorials, FAQs, and other resources. Questions about the BDC filing requirements may be submitted to the FCC by clicking on the Submit a Request button that is located on the Help Center webpage. Thank you again for your effort to prepare for the upcoming filing.